Hi guys, this is my homework. Yes, E, 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 difficult, difficult. It's not difficult to speak English. It's not difficult to speak English. Ah, 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 wonderful, wonderful. My mother is a wonderful teacher. Teacher. My mother is a wonderful teacher. Oh, 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 should. You should work harder. You should work harder. Oh, 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 together, together. America and Vietnam. Should always work together. American and Vietnam should work together. E, please, speak English with me. Please speak English with me. R, always, say, please, and, thank you. Always say please and thank you. Ooh, food. What's your favorite food? What's the favorite food? A, everything is ready. Everything is ready. A, practice, makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Bother. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful